how to use a Smartsheet in Teams, and we are going to understand how this can be actually dealt with something that it should be about be understood on the section that should be really prioritized for, but it can be really here through the situation that should be really over here about add a Smartsheet app to Microsoft Teams. So we can start to understand about to go for work apps on the left, so that doesn't management on work apps. Starting with that, search for apps for that, and you can start to click on that ones over here for work apps. Start to search for it on the Microsoft Teams and the bin sheets on it, which is going to be about exporting it to Microsoft Teams also. But this can be absolutely, I think that it should be really related to Microsoft Dynamics 365 to collaborate and update it within Teams to get alerts and approval via chat. And that is all about to help you.